Why the fuck are you still eating animals? I don't know. I never thought about it. Sorry. Oh.
Happy vegan, happy vegan, happy vegan declaration day.
Responding to comments, and yours is next. And no, I'm not driving. I'm in the passenger seat. Just remember that TikTok does everything backwards, so it looks like I'm driving, but I'm not. Alright, so you're telling me about how much you love chicken McNuggets, and I get it. You know, the reason that you love them is because they have vegan spices on them, vegan foods on them. They're cooked in oil, and they have all kinds of salt, pepper, and different spices, and that makes it taste good. If you cooked tofu, it could be just as delicious and much healthier for you and better for the animals. You want to know what I'm eating? Do you know what I consider to be fast food? Check this out. This is my idea of fast food. Look at this. I had nothing to eat, so I stopped at a pharmacy, believe it or not, and I bought frozen peas. They are so good. They are picked at their prime. They're so sweet. You can eat them like little candies, and they, of course, they thaw very quickly. That's what you should do. Eat healthy foods. Get used to them. Go vegan. Why the fuck don't we eat frozen peas from the package more often? I don't know. I never thought about it. Oh. Okay, I'm looking at comments today, and here's what you say. You are yet another person who tells the lie that plants feel pain. Plants don't feel pain, they don't have a brain, they don't have a nervous system, so they cannot feel any pain. So it's okay to bite into them. You can eat plants. But if by some chance you are so unscientific that you actually believe in unicorns, and fairy tales, and that Santa exists, then here's one for you. If you really think that plants feel pain, all the more reason why you should be vegan. Because by not being vegan, you're actually eating and damaging more plants because they are filtered through cows and pigs and other animals that you eat. So if you really care about plants, then I suggest that you become vegan. And also think about this. Firefighters rush into the homes to save people. They are saving people, not plants, right? Think about it. Go vegan. Why the fuck do you still think that plants feel pain? I don't know. Maybe I didn't pay attention in science class? Oh. Reading comments today, and here's what you say. You're saying basically that you have been vegan for 3 years and that I am your inspiration. So thank you so much for letting me know. You know, we get a lot of hate. We get a lot of people telling us they don't want us even to be alive, and they don't want us on social media. So when there are people that we inspire, it's definitely good to know about. And of course I know it. Many people who are cruel here end up saying that they're sorry a few months later. Sometimes even a year later, people have contacted me and said that they became vegan because of me. And at first they read all kinds of crazy stuff about me. They watched videos that were full of lies. And the more that they researched, the more they realized that I was right. That the animals do matter. That they are sentient. And they have a right to live, just like cats and dogs do. So thank you for being here, and thank you for being a vegan animal rights activist. So awesome. Yay!
We're hoping to stop vegan phobia. Thank you for being vegan fantastic. Thank you for being a friend. Thank you for standing up for what's right. We're heading towards a vegan world in the end. Thank you to everyone, regardless of religion, skin color, and also to LGBTQ. Thank you to all who see that saving the animals is the right thing to do. Thank you for being vegan fantastic. Thank you for opening up your heart. Thank you for dancing to this simple song of peace. It's a wonderful way to start. Thank you for being vegan fantastic. Thank you for being a friend. Thank you for standing up for what's right. We're heading towards a vegan world in the end. Thank you for being vegan fantastic. Thank you for being vegan fantastic. Thank you for being vegan fantastic.
Why the fuck aren't you vegan yet? I don't know, but I'm thinking about it. Cool.
Tofu scramble, it's so easy to do. Woo-hoo. Eating eggs is so last century. nobody needs to. So here's what you do. Mash tofu, green onions, and celery in a pan. Add black salt, turmeric, and spices, yes you can. Mix in some vegan mayo. Mix in some vegan mayo. Now mix in a salty pickle. Yeah, that's the way to go. Ooh! Tofu scramble, tofu scramble. It's so easy to do. Woohoo! Learn how to make it, 'cause saving animals will make them happy and will make you happy too. The egg industry's just a cycle of misery. Let's make the animal holocaust history. The egg industry's just a cycle of misery. Let's make the animal holocaust history. Tofu scramble, tofu scramble. It's so easy to do. Woohoo! Learn how to make it, 'cause saving animals will make them happy and will make you happy too.
Okay, a quick break. We're gonna go and eat this delicious, fantastic, nice cream. This is 100% made with whole foods. No sugars, no fat, nothing. The ingredients are frozen bananas, put into a blender with strawberries, and inside there is a tablespoon of flax seeds, which ends up giving you extra omega-3 fatty acids. Tastes just sort of like a cone almost. You know how cones have that sort of wheat type flavor to them? So this is what we're eating right now. Thanks a lot for joining us, and don't forget that it's so easy to be vegan and to be healthy as a vegan as well. Why the fuck are you still drinking cow's milk? I don't know. It makes no sense. Sorry. Oh. Responding to your comments, and yours is next. And you think that I'm actually funny. Well, you know, I always wanted to be funny, but I don't think I really am funny. But it's kind of funny of you to say that. But check this out. Guess where I am? Look. 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 Can you tell? I'm in the middle of a cornfield. Oh my God, it's so cool in here. Look. Have you ever been in the middle of a cornfield? I mean, I know you people that live in the middle of Kansas or something, you probably have, but I never have. I live here in Montreal, Quebec, Canada. I'm just on a road trip. This is so cool, look! Look at this. As far as the eye can see, corn, corn, and more corn. Oh my God, it's so cool. Whoa, what a cool vacation this is. Look at that. Look at the corn. It's so tiny and hairy and trying to grow. Hello, little corn. You can do it. Don't worry. I know you don't feel pain, so I'm going to eat you. Yum, 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 yum.
Happy vegan, happy vegan, happy vegan Declaration Day.
Why the fuck aren't you vegan yet? I don't know, but I ate corn today. Does that count? Corn is vegan. It's a start. Cool. Okay, so let me get this straight. You were thinking about becoming vegan. You were thinking about ending the exploitation of animals. You were thinking about maybe stopping people from raping, torturing, murdering them, and having them be in a lifetime of sadness. But then you met me, and then you decided to be evil and cruel, and to only eat animals when you could be eating this. Look at this. This is an amazing field full of corn. And you're trying to tell me that you don't like corn? Who the heck doesn't like corn on the cob? This is like a miracle. Look at this. I don't believe you for 1 second, and nobody else does either. You were born vegan, so you need to go back to being vegan. Find a cornfield. Have fun. Oh my God, look at this. Oh, corn, you're so beautiful. Why the fuck aren't you subscribed to this channel yet? I don't know. Maybe because I don't have arms? Can you press the button with your toe, please? No. But I can teach you how. Okay. Thanks. Cool.
Look in the mirror and sing this song. Sing, I will be brave, I'll be vegan from now on. Look in your heart and sing this song. Sing, I will be brave, I'll be vegan from now on. Eat only healthy vegan things. Never eat anyone's arms, legs, or wings. Don't eat anyone who had ears or eyes. Make sure when you eat that nobody cries. always be in the mood to only buy healthy vegan food. Sing this song and declare it